We're gonna look at two exact same knives, but one's a newer model, one's a very, very old model. I'm having trouble finding because I would like another one just like it. And the newer model, I don't like the color scheme it has on it. I don't like the design or the color that it has on it, but um, this got reflective stuff on it. These um, biohazard reflective. Um, for this one came out uh, 10 years ago. Um, this one came out. It was my very first pocket knife. You can see the wear and tear on it. Doesn't have a pocket clip. I was doing a job and got snagged on something and then tear it out. I don't know how because I didn't even feel it. It just caught in something and I ripped it out. Um, my original plan for this knife is to take the belt clip and put it on the back of here, um, but basically the same knife. It just that one's harder to see tac-force, but they literally are the same knife. They got the same texture on the handle. This one's more worn. This one's kind of newer, so it doesn't have that grip, that worn grip. Um, I was 12 when I got this. My own money. That was the coolest shit ever. And I was the only kid on the block that had a pocket knife. Of course, everybody on the block was always asking me, "Hey, can I borrow that? Hey, can you come over and do something?" Um, my whole entire life did not use seatbelt cutter or the window breaker. Um, I think I did use the seatbelt cutter once. It was like a cardboard box. Just, but it's very tricky how to do it. But I have learned how to use the seatbelt cutter. So I'm grateful that, and I learned how to use a window breaker. Um, but um, even though this is loose, this is loose, this is loose, something's loose inside. Um, this one, nothing loose, nothing loose, nothing. Still trying to kick it in, still. Uh, wear it in. What's the word I want to use? Wear and tear. That's starting to get better. Oh, that one that do. Um, so and plus, so I can do it like that. Sometimes my knife will get stuck like that when it's supposed to look like that. Yeah, and it doesn't have a tip. Um, the whole reason I got this knife because back when I was 12, um, I was heavily into zombies. Not as much now, but still am. That's why I got the newer model. Uh, but I figured, you know what? Time to put the old girl down because she's starting to fall apart. How much I'm gonna miss her. She's probably been on every road trip I ever been on. Let's see her. She's been to Mall America. She's been to Kentucky. She's been to Tennessee. She's been to Virginia. Virginia. Yeah, I wasn't supposed to carry a knife in Virginia. Police officers. Well, I wasn't a police officer. Security officer saw my belt clip, pocket knife. Said, "Is that knife?" And I said, "Yeah." They're like, "You're not allowed to carry it. I gotta give you a ticket." And then I explained to him, I was like, "Oh man, sorry, I didn't know I wasn't allowed to carry a knife from her." He's like, "Oh, okay." So he let me off. He said, just tuck it in your pocket. Keep walking. I'll get it out." And so I didn't get a ticket. Uh, yeah, it's strange to get a ticket from a security guard. I actually don't know if security guards can give tickets, but he said he was going to give me one. But, where else has this been? Michigan, Indianapolis. This knife has literally been everywhere. Everywhere I step foot on. That loves knives. Um, this knife has been in my pocket. It's been on multiple jobs with me. And I think it's time to retire to a new one. How much I don't want to, but I have to before. Because when you close it sometimes, again, it does that. That's a safety hazard. Um, but I'm going to put this somewhere where I can look at it every now and then. Uh, she never had a name. I named her She. I don't think this one's going to have a name either. It's going to be She. She too. Uh, but if you're 12 or 13 and you're looking for the perfect first knife, um, tac-force. Cheap and they come sharp. Um, they also come very oily when you first get them. They've been for me every time I get a tac-force. Uh, but this this last day,